Hello, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel if you've been here before. Got Christmas days behind us. We've got New Year's Eve to look forward to. We're sort of in that period between the two days. Decided we'd get out and have a little bit of an overnighter. We're going to get our camping area set up, get our kitchen set up, and then I'm going to try and do a Christmas dinner. As this is our pretend Christmas morning, we've got to do it properly, and you can't do anything on Christmas Day until you've had some fizz. Bucks fizz, that is. Cheers. Christmas Day in the woods then. Could be fun, could be a disaster. Won't know until the end of it. I'm going to have a go at Christmas dinner, so Yorkies, not even going to try and make those in the wild, that would be silly. I've got to get the meat on though now. This is a turkey thigh joint rather than breast or anything like that, because I prefer it. This little piece of beef. All I'm going to do with these, onto the fireplace and just leave them to cook. Then I'm going to start preparing some vegetables. So I've got potatoes, I've got some carrots that need to be peeled. Once they're done, I'm going to roast them up in the big cast iron pan directly on the fire. And then for boiled vegetables, I've got the sprouts I'm going to cook with chorizo. The cabbage, I'm just going to boil that up along with the cauliflower, and that should give us Christmas dinner. Meat first. Let's get this one on the go. Like I say, just very simply going to wrap this in foil. It's already seasoned, makes life a little bit easier. I'm going to have to wrap the turkey a bit better than that. Once this has started, the butter started melting, that started getting hot, I'll move it away a little bit. Yeah, I need to probably cover this up with something a bit better, I think. Change of plan for the turkey. So it's a simple story for the vegetables. So the collie, I'm just going to boil that. Broccoli I'm going to feed to the deer. We get some vegetables prepared there, ready to roast them. I've got some potatoes, I've got some carrots, some chorizo, that's to go with the sprouts, some sausages and bacon for pigs in blankets. Got a pigs in blankets crisps, haven't you? So let's get this done. Aren't really the vegetables for eating, really. They're to add flavour to the gravy. So I'm going to do with those, just cut them in half like that, and then skin and all, just put them in to the pot with the turkey. And as I said, these go in skins and all. Carrots and potatoes are going to be roasted, and the trick to getting them sort of all cooked at the same time is to make sure that the chunks are approximately the right same size. Now I like a little bit of texture, so I'm not just going to slice the carrots, I'm going to cut them up into sort of chunks like that. Now I'm putting the carrots and the potatoes in at the same time, so these are going to cook a lot quicker than them, so I don't want them as small, but I do want them all about the same size. So again, they all cook at the same time. They're not going into the pot yet, so I'm just going to cover them up, put them to one side. Garlic, So the garlic, I'm just going to give that a quick smash. So let's get some of this off. This off. Just rubbing it in my hands because they're going in hot. Just want to get some of that dry skin off. There we go, that'll do it. Whole cloves of garlic just to help add a bit of flavour to the vegetables. I'm going to prep the pigs in blankets now. Not ready to go on the heat yet, but I'd rather have them done and ready. Nice bit of bacon and some sausages. I'm just going to do sort of one sausage each. That's for breakfast tomorrow. Pigs in blankets, as I'm sure you know, is basically sausages wrapped in bacon. These are going to be massive ones. There you go. There's one pig in bacon. There's pig in a blanket. That's two. And so most of the prep done now. I'll show you around the camp. We've got the camp kitchen, so this is where I've just been doing all the prepping work, and then just in front of that, the fireplace that I'm trying to do most of the cooking. I think the only thing that I won't be doing on there is the boiled vegetables. Sitting area for myself later. That's where I'm sleeping, keeping it old school. And then Jay from Jay's Camping and Caravanning Supplies is staying in the tent there. If you want to know all about that, nip over to his channel, Jay's Wild Camping. Let's have a quick look what's going on with these. It's definitely cooking. I need to get some more heat on. And the beef is definitely cooking as well. That's going to make a good gravy. I am going to now put our vegetables in for roasting. Here they are. They can just go in like that. And I think I'm going to go and chop up the cabbage now, put that in with the cauliflower, because that'll only take about 20 minutes once it's going. Got some Yorkshire puddings. I need to think of some way of warming those up. Got some root vegetable mash that needs to go in as well. Gravy. Welcome back to Christmas dinner. We've got everything here and I am now ready to serve up. So let's have a look at this meat first of all. See how that's come out. This is roast beef. And it's hard to tell in this light. You can't see whether it's pink or whatever, but it's feeling like it's cooked all right. That's the beef. Pop it back in the pan for a second. Then the turkey. So this is turkey thigh joint. Ooh. That's cooking really well. There is a bone in it, so I'm happy to work around that. Right then, gents, ready to start serving up. If you want to bring your plates up. Bit of everything except the sprouts, yeah?
No sprouts.
Beef. what I think is turkey. A pig in a blanket. Some mash. You don't want any red cabbage? Potatoes and carrots. Okay. And some turkey gravy. There you go. Christmas during the woods, Jay. Oh, and don't forget your Yorkie food. Yeah, go on, go disappear.
No, that's way too much.
You way too much.
It's breakfast as well, remember.
Tell you what you forgot. What? Stuffing. Yeah, I specifically asked for some. I asked for one.
Keep saying that, you're going to get it. Root cabbage.
Yeah, that'll do. Don't ruin it. Cool.
There you go, Joe.
Thank you very much, sir.
Now that one there, that is Yorkshire pudding, root mash, red cabbage, pigs in blankets, turkey and beef, a couple of roast vegetables, sprouts with chorizo. Jay's tucking into his. That's the quietest he's been all night.
Lovely.
Spencer's enjoying his as well, I think.
It is very nice.
Yay! Who'd have thunk it, eh? A full-on Christmas dinner in the woods. It's all right, actually. Pudding's a fairly simple affair. Mince pies, Bailey's cream. And that's the second quietest Jason's been all night. Well, that's another one done. It's not about the camp, this one. It was about doing Christmas dinner. Christmas dinner's over now. Time now just to sit back, relax, have a few drinks with Jay and see the night out. So I'll say stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy New Year.